What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's been a while since we cooked anything here, but we're going to a 4th of July party at a friend's house, and I've decided to make bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers, smoking them. So I'm going to take you through the steps of how we make that. I'm going to show you step by step, and then we're going to throw them out on the smoker, and then we'll see how everybody likes them at the end. So come on, let's check this out. Sous Chef Bruce helping us make the vidya. Is that one not good? You're gonna regret it. You're gonna regret it.
You know you can feed that to somebody. We'll cut that off.
It's going to cook at 300 degrees for an hour and a half. I don't think him touching it's going to make any difference. Nice helping of Wing Commander.
Everything you need to go in here,
Paradise.